Okay, you guys, this is the room so far. Those are my little babies right there. Say hello. Say hello, Google Gaga. So that's Gemini and that's Aquarius. If you guys remember, I showed you Aquarius first and then she's the new addition. She's like, she's such a sweetheart, Gemini. But Aquarius is like, ugh. She's such a brat. But I wanted to show you guys my rooms thus far. So this is the new vanity that I purchased on Wayfair. It is a chalk chestnut finish. It's like a wood texture. It's not real wood, but I love it. It's like my dream desk. I was contemplating between a white desk or something darker, maybe black or so, but this vanity I fell in love with and I think it's perfecto. So this is, if you guys remember my other video, this is the Sunset Mirage vanity mirror. One of my viewers told me how to change the lights. You hold the button to fade it down. So now I dim the lights and then you press this button again to make it brighter. I don't know what happened, but I didn't see any instructions when I did my vanity review video, so I wasn't able to show you guys how to dim it up and down, but I'm able to show it to you guys now. But this is the vanity. Of course you guys have seen my perfumes. That's my candle that I burn all the time. Have black stuff all around it. This is my steamer. I need to put that on the floor. And then this organizer I got from TJ Maxx. This I got for $10. There you go. It is an organizer, the collection. I don't know what that means, but I just hold all my makeup brushes and things that I use to do my makeup in the morning. And then this tray I got from TJ Maxx as well. I believe this is also $9.99. And then this little clear plastic container, I also got this from TJ Maxx for $4.99. And let me move my sweater. So this is my tie, my head tie that I use to wrap my hair at night. It's satin. It's nice and soft. So this piece I got from Marshall's. It's like a marble piece, but I love the brass accent on top. This I got for $14.99. And I love it. It's a very heavy piece. And I'm trying to go with that spa-like effect in my room. I also got this. This is the smaller version to the vase that I have in my foyer. Oops, I got this from West Elm. This is the 9-inch version. The one I have in the foyer is the 15-inch version. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this here. I'm just trying to feel out how I want to decorate my vanity. But this jewelry holder I got from Amazon. It is triple tiered. You stack it, so if you want to go like that and just use one dish and have one open, or to store multiple earrings and jewelry, that is how you store it. I'm gonna get the other one. They have one that's taller, so I could have more earrings stored on there. This one isn't working too well because I'm running out of space for my jewelry. But you guys, so far this is my vanity. And then over here is my new curtains that I purchased. I got these curtains from Home Goods. These curtains I got for $29.99 or $39.99. I'm not sure. I got two sets, one over there, one over here. These are 50 by 96. So that's 50 inches across, 96 down. It has like a textured finish. It's called emboss. I think that's what they call it. But I love the way it looks. I love the texture. It adds dimension to the room. and that is actually what I'm looking for. I didn't want to just get a white curtain. I wanted something that was dimensional and interesting to look at. But I love these. I have to paint the room, so please disregard that ugly color in the corner over there. And of course, you guys have seen the divider. I actually use the divider to hide all the stuff that I use to edit my videos. I still need to clean up this corner. I need to purchase a new desk. I'm gonna get like a corner desk to go back there. But this is the new divider that I purchased from Wayfair. I'm loving it thus far. I love the brass color. It's not gold, it's a very muted gold color, which I believe you call brass anyway. And then this rug I took from the kids' room because I did purchase a different rug for their room as well. But this helps with the echoing in the room. So I still love this rug. I'm not gonna get rid of it. So that's about it. Oh, I forgot about this ugly chair. So this chair is the 5th piece to my couch. It's either the 5th or the 6th, but I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't like it anymore. It's dirty. I purchased a new chair already, so when I get it this weekend, I will show it to you guys as well. And I need to fix this curtain. I need to pull this forward and then make that fall. And then last but not least, I purchased this clothing rack on Amazon. I'm not happy with it. It's very flimsy. It doesn't hold a lot of clothes. As you can see, it's not much clothing item on here, but it's doing the job so far. I store everything in my closet anyways. I might move it, who knows. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy the mini tour just far. I know my room is a little messy, but it's a, you know, makeover in progress. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me how I'm going to decorate the room. And so far, this is what the room looks like. I can't wait till I get my new chair. And I also purchased a new end table that I'm gonna put right there. So these two are playing. Look at them, always at it. Okay, so this throw I got from Overstock a couple months ago. And then this chair is my new vanity chair that I purchased. So it's actually white, but it looks cream. I'm not too happy with the material on there. It looks off-white. It looks kind of dirty. So if that doesn't affect you and you like this chair, I think it's a great purchase. If not, I mean, if the color doesn't bother you, I think it looks nice. It's very contemporary and modern, and I still like it. So to prevent it from getting dirty, I put the straw on it just to protect it from my clothes from rubbing on it anytime I sit on there. So okay guys, so that's it. That's the tour thus far. I hope you guys were able to get some tips, inspiration to decorate your room as well. Those items over there is to paint. That orange bucket is to paint my wall. Like I told you guys, I am going to do the wallpaper over here, but first I have to paint the wall and then wait like 4 days, they said, for it to dry, and then I could go ahead and apply the wallpaper. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.